Hey, what's up guys? Today I have a great product I want to review. Something that's made my job a lot easier when it comes to editing, and it's something I feel like you guys should see. If you're a content creator, someone started a podcast, you could do commands when it comes to lights. I have Philip hues that are controlled by this little mechanism. I also have it for my editing. Something I've gone through a lot of items. I've tried the Toolbox, I've tried the Loop Deck CT, I've tried multiple things. The Elgato Stream Deck Plus is a new thing I want to talk about, and man, it's amazing. Stay tuned. So what is the Stream Deck Plus? It's this right here. Thank you for tuning in. Have a nice day. No, I'm kidding. The Stream Deck Plus is something cool. You can see it consists of 8 buttons, LCD buttons that you could program into anything you want. This one is special because this one brings the knobs. I have the other regular Stream Decks. They were just the buttons, but with the knobs, you could actually change the colors. Now, I've added some programs on this that I will put on the description, which is really super cool. I want you guys to see this. I can scroll through, I can edit all my coloring, which I'm doing now, if you can see. I'm actually editing one of my videos now. Whenever you're color grading, it could change it up and you could actually edit with the knobs. You want to be very specific when it comes to colors, when it comes to skin tones, you want to stick right to it. These knobs are awesome. As you can see, I could scroll, and the program I have, I could actually control it. I can also go to color grading, go to effects, then you see the color grading on the board, which is awesome. See, I could just touch this and it opens up. I could add color wheels. I think it's one of the coolest things that I've owned today. It comes with a stand. I decided to take the stand off and actually put a little side USB-C so I can lay it flat on my desk while I'm editing. I don't really like to have it at an angle, so when I have it on my desk, I could just scroll. You hear there? You could hear scrolling now. If you want to cut time when it comes to editing, actually be really good. If you program it, get it used to it, because I know a lot of people, it's hard to get used to. I was used to the keyboard, but man, does it save you time when you're editing and trimming, blading. I mean, all of it. You can program it to do everything. And it could also control all the lights in your studio, which is cool. I still haven't gotten to that part. So if I go to default, I have it as, this is my regular screen. So I have Final Cut, DaVinci, Premiere Pro, Audition, YouTube, my last YouTube video, OBS. I doubled it up because with this one you can multi-stack, which is something cool. Artlist and Artgrid, which I use my music and I use my a lot of video from. And then vidIQ is something I use to make sure I maximize my video content and make sure, you know, it gets the most, give it the best chance to succeed in YouTube and the algorithm. And then the bottom you can see dial stacks, and you can scroll this. I don't have it as anything else. I'm still trying to figure it out how to program it where I could just turn the pages and I have all the extra things. I'm working on it. When it comes to the software and installing it, it's actually super easy. Elgato, it's one of the easiest user-friendly companies when it comes to software. All their software to download, to use is super easy to do. This is not hard at all. So you go on their website, download the app. I mean, it walks you through everything, and then everything is pretty simple. You go to the Stream Deck store. They actually have programs already that, you know, walkthroughs and all kinds of guides that you can go through. For me, somebody that was never used to doing so, using something like this, it actually came very helpful. When it comes to the price, people might back out and get scared. $199.99. I feel like you're getting a bargain for what it does. It does so many things. I've owned a couple of Stream Decks before this. They were awesome. I still have them now, but this one has knobs. And the knobs make a huge difference. So it's something that you're going to use all over. And if you're trying to come up with a podcast studio, YouTube, editing, you can program to do all kinds of things. So don't hesitate. I mean, I highly recommend it. I'll put the link on my description so you guys can head over there and buy it, or you can go to Amazon and help me out. I'll put the link on Amazon, my Amazon affiliate, and you can buy it there. You help us out with the channel a little bit. So in conclusion, I just want to say that this thing is a game changer. So I forgot to mention that even in OBS, to select your scenes for all you streamers out there that, you know, love gaming, also great to use. So you could change your scenes, you could click, you know, people know how to hit record, stop recording, go on Twitch. You could use it for all streaming platforms as well. For content creators, it's a blessing. For streamers, it's a blessing. You can't go wrong with this thing. If you guys enjoyed this video and got something out of it, I would love you guys if you could like and subscribe, and, you know, put some comments down there to help us improve our videos. Thanks again. See you later.